Traders, welcome to the engineering section. So here what we're gonna do is we talk about the pure market structure. We have major highs and lows, minor highs and lows, the pure market structure or price action. And then we're gonna add some few extra elements. What is emotions, feelings, thoughts, thinking, opportunities, and so on. Then what we're gonna do, let's put some patterns in the game. Let's look what the market makers are doing, and let's look how the fear and the greediness are pushing each other and pulling each other there. Then what we're gonna do is let's add some principles of breaking structure, and let's see, can we find some trades? Let's zoom in. Right now what we have gold. First thing first, when we have this structure, what we have straight away, we have the major high. Let's have major high this color, and all the way down here we have the major low. Price breaking highs, and now we have price was breaking highs, low was breaking the lows, major high, major low. Following that with the principle of the patient, where is the minor one? So now the price is going here, bounce, we break the highs first time here. That was our highest point. What's going on? We're gonna do this in red. So this is the minor high, and now we make the low and we break the low. Now we have the minor low. And now the one thing what we start kind of looking, and again following the patient, what is the market action doing next? Because right now we have some kind of structure, information, but we don't have kind of, how to say, no movements, no direction right now. What this mean? Patient and just wait. Patient, and what we see, the price was starting breaking the highs, and actually we break the highs. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna zoom in so much in, those blue lines are going away, and the red lines are gonna be right now the major ones. Let's do a little bit yin and yang in here. So now what is happening, we have the new high. Let's put this new high here, color of the green, and what was happening, we break the previous low, and now we have low here. So one thing what we have to understand in the future, we have something super special here, and the special is we have two principles: break, retest, going higher, and then we have the second, break, retest, and going higher. So whenever price is breaking highs and going retest those two zones here, for my view, that's a super good place to bought in the future. So let's see what the future brings. Right now what is happening, price is trying to break the highs again, rejected, and now the price is holding the lows. The prices didn't go here. So the one thing what we can understand right now, in that case, let's zoom a little bit out, because we have to understand one thing. When the price is holding the lows, we have to understand something between the fear, what is pushing down here, and between the greeds, what is pushing up here. And now we see the price is respecting the lows, respecting the lows, respecting the lows, respecting the lows. We don't break the lows. That means the greed is super strong right now, and what we see here, the price is breaking the highs, the price is breaking the highs. So the greed is getting weaker and weaker, and the fear is getting weaker and weaker, and greed is getting stronger and stronger, because we're holding the lows and breaking the highs. So back again, let's zoom in here, and what we have, price is holding the lows, going back here, the price is breaking previous highs, holding the lows, and now we have the super good breaking structure here. So one thing what you can do right now after this retest is to have, and actually that's our first opportunity what we have here, take profit here, stop loss last candlestick wick low, and this is our first opportunity. In that case right now what we see, the price is kind of bouncing here, but the same thing again, price is holding the lows. So one thing what we can add right now with this price action, let's say if you're holding this trade still, what we can say right now is we have the bearish flag here, breaking retest, and your take profit is there. Or otherwise, one thing what you can do here inside, looking at the momentum zones. So the first momentum zone what the price is showing us is here. And this momentum zone is to go higher. And the other momentum zone is down here, this little one here. And this momentum zone is to go lower. And what is the principle of those? Here we have principle to break, retest, and going higher. What was happening here? We have to break, retest, and going higher. And what is the principle of that? Getting rejected and going back to the highs. Rejection, 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 and rejection. Or other side, we have to break above, retest it, and start breaking the lows. What didn't happen? Almost we have something here, but we didn't close under, and price was straight back up. Or this side is gonna be rejection and going downside. Exactly what was happening in first time. We have the rejection going back down here. Again, yin and yanging. And now if you're looking a little bit bigger, what you can see is the same thing, how the greed is pushing in the markets and market is holding the lows. And now the fear is getting weaker, 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 weaker. And now as soon as when the price is above the major high, let's say example, you want to hold more because you have super good and healthy breaking structure. So the idea what we can do is again patient and look the next information gathering here, and the same thing what is going on here. We break the highs. What was happening? We have the high and we have the pullback, we have the low, and what the price is doing, holding lows, holding lows, holding lows, holding, break above it, retest it, and going higher. Exactly the same principle what was happening here, and the same principle what was happening all those here. What is break, retest, and going higher. You see how the price is breaking the highs, breaking the highs, breaking the highs, and holding lows. And the same time what we make here is a continuation pattern. Price is continuing. So what do you think about that? So if you found some simplicity and smoothness, you can use this information every single day, every single time, to support your thoughts, feelings, emotions, your gathering, your how to say, the words what they are in your head, how heavy those words are. Then you can do some yin and yanging there and have some final thoughts. or support your entry points, stop losses, or take profit areas. I'm thanking every single one, and I'm seeing in the next video. Thank you and ciao.